Okay guys, so currently now as I'm filming this video, I'm actually in my window side and my neighbor upstairs on the jet. So while editing, I'm going to use the enhanced voice so the noise at the background will not come out. And also obviously this is not my background. Like I said, I'm in my living room filming this video, and I was still able to use this auto remover of background, and here I am. And here is my video right now. So I'm just trying to tell you that you can use this pro version for free, absolutely free, and you can download it on your phone and upload on your channel. You don't need to pay CapCut for now. You can see it for free. So all you have to do is just to stay glued to the channel, watch the video to the very end, and please, after watching it, please don't forget to give me a subscribe. Okay, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dolapo Udo. On this channel, I teach content creating tips, I teach YouTube tips, and I teach DIYs, okay, and lots more. Thank you so much for clicking towards this video. Enjoy the video to the very end.
So if you want to learn how to remove your background or blur your background on CapCut, all you have to do is to watch this video to the very end. So right now I've actually imported a video I want to use as the pictures I want to use as my background, and here is it. So now I'm just going to click on overlay, okay, to add the video I want to input. Okay, so I'm just going to input this one because it's not that long. I've added. So here is the video, here is my video. Okay, all I have to do now is to actually resize it to know how I want it. So after I've actually imported my video, I'll click on the video, okay, then I'll just click on remove BG. So you can see the pro version, you can see the auto remover is on pro version, and I need to use the pro version. I'm just going to click on it, okay, then it's going to remove the background of the video. Have you seen it, guys? It's going to remove it. Let me play the video for you.
Okay guys, so currently now
it has actually removed the background of the video. All I have to do now is just to resize it to put it where I want the video to be. I think it's okay here.
Video, okay, I'm actually in my window side and my
so this is it. It has actually, and all you have to do, if you want the picture of the background to cover the whole clip, you have to drag it just like I've done here. You have to drag it to the end of the video as well. Then you have to take your video to the beginning too, so the effects can be like equal. So I have actually removed the background of the video right now.
And my neighbor upstairs on the jet. So while editing, I'm going to,
as you can see, guys, I've actually done that. So guys, you can actually see the pro version on it. So that is on pro version. And how do I do it? I'm going to save the video. Do not fear, I'm going to show you how you're going to save it. So after I've done this, okay, I will have to, if I want to blur the background of this particular video, like if I want to blur the background, all I have to do is to click on the background picture itself. Okay, as you can see, I've done that. Then I'll click on effect. After clicking on effect, you click on video effect. Okay, there are lot of effects here, so I need a blur effect, and this is it. Okay, this is it. So you can see that actually blur the background for me, but this is too obvious. Okay, and I don't need it to be too obvious like this. All I have to do is to is to adjust it. Okay, you can see I think it's okay like this. No, I need it about 10. Let me use 10 or 7, so it has actually blurred the background for me. So this is how you blur your background. Okay, so onto the next one. I've actually blurred it.
Okay guys,
you can see it's different from the particular one I uploaded, so I've blurred it. And if you really want to work on the video, like if you need it more bold, all you have to do is to click on it, then you zoom in to any let you want it. But I feel this one is too much, so I'll just resize it with my hand. Okay, I need the YouTube at the background to show. It's depending on the background you're using anyway, so I'm okay with this. I'm fine with this. I'll just bring it down a bit. Okay, then I have it. Okay, so now let's move to voice enhancement. I'm going to let me delete this. Now I'm going to add another clip that has noise at the background. Okay, let me add this again. Okay guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but let me go back. I think this particular video has a noise at the background, this particular video I used. So let me give it a volume.
Just trying to tell you that you can use this pro version for free. Absolutely.
So this particular video has a noise at the background because I remember the day I was filming the video, the generator was working. So all I have to do now is to click on this particular video. Okay, then I'll look for enhanced voice. This is it guys. Let me play the video for you again so you understand what I'm trying to do here. So this video,
now as I'm filming this video, I'm actually in my window side and my neighbor upstairs on the gen.
Okay, that was what I just said. I said when I was filming the video, my neighbor upstairs was on the gen, so there was noise at the background. So now I want to remove the voice, and all I have to do now is to click on this enhanced voice. Okay, if I click on it, I'll turn it on. So it's going to enhance the voice for me. Wait guys, you see the outcome of what I have just done. Okay, it's at 30%, is loading. The thing is that you don't have any excuse to say okay, you're not making a video because there's noise at the background. Wait to see the result of this particular one. Okay, 62 loading. Now what I click to on is noise clean up. Okay, it's going to actually clean up this noise for me because I don't want the noise at the background to show in my video. I don't want you guys to hear the noise. So it's 99% done. Okay, so it's done already. Now guys, listen to this video.
I'm actually in my window side and my neighbor upstairs on the gen. So while editing, I'm going
so you can see that the noise at the background is not as obvious as before, but you can still hear it. Right now what I'm going to do is to click on 100. Okay, I'll take this to 100. Now you can listen to it.
As I'm filming this video, I'm actually in my window side and my neighbor upstairs on the gen. So while editing, I'm going to use
now do you see that you can't hear any voice, any noise at all? That was because I have enhanced the video to up to like 100%. So that's how you enhance your voice on CapCut. Okay, now I told you can also use stickers. Most of the stickers now are on pro version. Okay, you can use that now. You can use the opportunity to use everything you want to use. Like if you want to use the Pro version for this, see, I'm on my stickers now, and almost everything is on Pro version. So if I want to use this, I can use this now too. Okay, let me use this. I'm using this arrow.
So currently,
okay, let me move it. I don't think I need it here. I want to move it to where I need it. So this is it. I'm able to use the sticker too. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you are going to save this. Okay, I'm going to show you how you're going to save this. Alright guys, so for us to save everything we have used on the Pro version, all you have to do is to record, is to screen record this particular video. Okay, so you're going to screen record without you talking, without you doing anything at the background, without no noise at the background. Okay, you're going to screen record it from the beginning to the end. If you are recording a 30 minutes video, if you're recording a 20 minutes video, you have to screen record it from the beginning to the end. Okay, so now I am going to screen record mine. I'm going to screen record mine without talking. Then I'll show you how you can actually how you can save it. One more thing guys, if you want to add this adjustment, I think is called I don't know, if you want to brighten, if you want to use brilliance, if you want to use, okay, now I'm going to use my sharpen. I want to sharpen the video. I want to make it more realistic. Okay, so now I won't sharpen it too much. You can see it's too sharp, so let me use about 80 thereabouts. So I'm going to leave it like this. You can see the video is more sharp. Okay
guys, so currently,
wow, you can see how sharp this video is. So it's going to sharpen from the beginning of the end, from the beginning to the end of the video. So after I've done this, okay, I'm now going to screen record without talking. Alright guys, after I have screen record my video, I want to edit it. You know, it's like this. I can't actually post it like this. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to resize this particular video to post on any social media platform you want to post it on. So now I'm on my photo gallery, and this is the particular video I screen recorded, and I'm going to click on edit to edit this particular video. Now I want to adjust it. Okay, that is, I want to crop it. I'll click on crop. This is an Android phone. I'm using an Android phone right now. You can click on you can use I'm using an iPhone right now. Sorry guys, I'm using an iPhone. You can also use this feature on Android phone. All you have to do is just to go to your photo gallery, click on the video or the picture you want to edit, then you click on edit to actually do this. So right now I'm cropping all this excess part out. Okay, I have cropped it out, and this how is looking like. Okay, now it's looking like a normal YouTube standard video. Okay, I'm not done. Stay glued to it and see what I'm about to perform. So I have actually cropped it from my gallery. All I have to do now is to click on done. It's going to save. Okay, now it's preparing the video. As you can see, the video is ready. Now let me play it so you can see. So guys, have you seen what I was saying? Who will know that I actually screen recorded this video? Nobody will know until you tell them. Oh my goodness, you guys know my secret now. So in case if you see me using background, if you see me using all sort of Pro version on CapCut, this is what I do. Okay, and you can also do that. So don't let that prevent you from creating your content. So this is it. Now we are going to go back to CapCut. Okay, and the reason why I said we are coming back to CapCut is to re-edit that particular video. So this is it. Let me click on it. I will add it here. Okay, I want to change to confirm the aspect ratio, guys. I want to choose YouTube aspect ratio, which is 16:9. This is it. If you want to resize this is perfect. Okay, if you want to it's just okay. You don't need to resize, you don't need to do anything. Then you click on okay. Now I want to cut off this particular place. Okay, all I have to do is to click on the video itself, then I'll split it, then I'll delete this. This is the drop down of the screen record I did. That's what I just deleted. Then I'll play it.
Okay guys, so
then if I want to do it again, the volume of this particular video, I want to make it loud. I'll just click on volume.
Okay guys, so currently now as I'm filming this video, I'm actually in,
you can see it's very loud. Now take a look at this saving place. This particular place is on 480p resolution, and that's too low. That's too low for our video, and this is the main reason why I had to bring it back to CapCut to save on a high resolution, because this is too low. All I have to do is just to take it to 1080p. okay, so I'm just going to leave it at 1080p. And I don't know if you get why I actually brought back the video here. I have to save it on 1080p resolution, so it won't affect our video after we have done posting it on YouTube. So after I've done that, all I have to do now is just to export the video. Is exporting as simple as ABC. Because the reason why I actually did this method is because I can't save after editing it on Pro version. I can't save it. It will actually take me to an interface for me to buy the subscription, and I don't want to do that. That's why I have to go to my gallery to crop it out and bring it back to CapCut to save on 1080p. It's as simple as that, guys. As simple as that.
So now that you are able to use the Pro version for free, I know some people have started thinking, oh, how would I get, I think subscription is about 20,000 plus and you have to pay it monthly. So something is actually bringing you back. Go grab your phone, record, film your videos, and use this CapCut for free. Okay, don't let these features for making your videos. So till next time, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.